Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Scout Pilot coming to you from his little shop in the woods in North Carolina. What you see before you is a 596S Carter WO one-barrel carburetor designed for the CJ2 and early CJ2A, primarily for the Agri Jeep. Set up so it could handle governor and so forth. I just fully rebuilt it with a whole new kit. The throttle's been gone through with bushings and a new shaft, and it's been zinc phosphate Parkerized. Been out on a test drive. She did well for me. Got it up to 58 miles an hour. No hesitation, no stumble. Plenty of go. Even caught a little scratch. Shh, don't tell anybody. Alright, so now she's been cooling off a little bit. We're going to go ahead and do that warm restart for you and stumble test. So here we go. Alright. The battery's getting a little old here, so you'll have to forgive me a little bit. And I'll tell you what, let's just go right straight to the numbers on this one. Vacuum is sitting right at 21, maybe 21 plus. Idle RPM, about 675. Right where I like it. I'm going to go ahead and do that stumble test for you now. Alrighty. There you have it. I'll put this up on YouTube and Facebook and my own site, oldjeepcarbs.com. Y'all come take a look at it. It is for sale. Thanks.